Hi, this is a super quick screencast on jQuery and its layout. First of all, in this course, feel free to use the content delivery network for jQuery. As you look through the course, you'll see that there are plenty of small snippets of code. However, for any kind of projects and apps and things like that, you're going to want to use and download the version of jQuery that is available and package it with your folder. The reason is because you don't want to depend on a server and you don't want to depend on updates and things like that. So once you get a finalized app that works well, make sure you don't use the CDN, but for all things in this course, feel free to use it. As you may have noticed, many of you probably already know this, but I have to insist on covering the document.ready function in jQuery. If you remember from your JavaScript days, there is a onload event for the body, and that can trigger a block of code only when the closing body tag is loaded into the page. This allows us to make sure that all elements are loaded before we enact any kind of jQuery or JavaScript. Well, jQuery has its own function, and that's document.ready. So basically the ready property has a callback function, and it can only run the code inside these parentheses or the curly braces if the entire document is loaded. And that's a very nice thing. Now usually you'll see it like this. And it doesn't matter where it is in the page or where it is in the site as long as it's referenced, but you'll see a lot of both hybrid JavaScript and jQuery inside this document ready. What you might also see occasionally is something like this, where you have document ready and then an initializer and then a function called initializer that will run. So you could run functions from this function, in fact, and that's something that you'll see frequently as well, but more than often you'll see this guy right here. So make sure you use it for everything in the course. It'll ease your pain, and it's a good place to start, and it'll help you organize.